What's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because the Shiba Inu price will pumps up. Congratulations! All holder ask me to why you make my friends bad videos. So my friend, I just make a real video, my friends, not a fake. If they were face down, so I make a my friends definitely bad videos. So kindly holder, absolutely. If I will give you bad news, so this is does not mean my friends to the coin were very badly face down. So but this is going to be garbage now. Kindly holders try to understand if they were face down for a short time, so I just update you, my brothers, to the coin were face down. Just and only I will alert you to if you want to invest for a short time. So just and only, my friend, when a coin were face down, and definitely when they were starting moving upwards, so you will need to invest now. So therefore I will just and only, my friend, notify you. This is does not mean to I will give you just bad news, is my friend. Try to understand. At this time you can see here the price will pumps up. So therefore today I have a good news for all of you, my friends. So please try to understand, my friends, to watch my video completely, and after that research personally, please, my friend. And because this is not a financial video, my friends, you know Shiba Inu coin were very fastest cryptocurrency in the crypto market, because in previous days, my friend, in last months, my friend, the Shiba Inu coin will be viral now. So therefore today also, my friends, people are starting investing very highly, my friend, in a Shiba Inu coin, and definitely the CEO of Shiba Inu coin will collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore the price is day by day increasing, and therefore I am also very excited because my brother, I am also holder of Shiba Inu coin. So my friend, they will collaborate with my friend Amazon. This is in upcoming time, my friend. This is possible to they will collaborate now with Amazon. So definitely I will give you 100% guarantee, my friend. So this is possible to they will easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar. So this is a very big pump, my friend, of Shiba Inu coin, but if they will take now, so kindly holder, if you want to get a profit in very short time, you will need, my friends, to do this. Otherwise, my friends, they will never give you a profit, and especially when the price will high now, so you will never buy this now. So please, you will need, my friends, to buy today because the price is very cheap, and I hope, my friend, at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So if you invest for a short time, now buy today and sell it at the end of month, I hope they will give you a good profit. See you next time, Shiba Inu coin holder. Please, my prediction is 100% going positive. I already predicted this coin, and definitely after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore I will clearly tell you to after this dump they will take a pump. So therefore I hope, my friend, in previous days they were very badly face down. I hope to have an upcoming time they will moving upward. See you next time, Shiba Inu coin holder. Please like video, and also don't forget to subscribe channel.